Now we are starting with exercise problems, exercise 2.4. First problem in this is we have to find the next three terms of the following sequences. We will do it one by one. So first three terms are given, that is A1 is given, A2 is given, A3 is given. We need to find A4, A5 and A6. So to find A4, A5 and A6, first we must know what is the sequence followed here, only then we can find the next terms. So we have 8 in the first term and 24 in the second term. How to connect 8 and 24? If we multiply 8 by 3, we will get 24. Similarly, we will apply the same for the next two terms. If it comes, then we can finalize that it is the sequence followed. So let us do 24 into 3. So 24 into 3, 12, 1, 72. Yes. So 24 when it is multiplied by 3, we got 72. What should we follow now? We have to multiply 72 by 3, we will get the fourth term. So 72 when it is multiplied by 3, 3 2s are 6, 7 into 3, 21. So it is 216. We got the fourth term. So we have to follow the similar steps for the next subsequent sequences. So we have to multiply 216 into 3. What will we get? 18, 1 balance, 4, 648. So the fifth term is 648. Next what we have to do? Again we have to multiply by 3 to 648. So what will we get then? 24, 2, 12, 14, 1, 18, 19. 1944, that is 1944. The next three terms in the sequences are the following. So next we have to find the next three terms for this sequence, that is we are given with three terms 1, 2, 3. We have to find A4, A5, A6. So to find these, what we have to do? First we have to find out what is the format used with the sequence. So what is the connect between 5 and 1? 5 when we subtract 4 with 5 we will get 1. We will apply for the next two terms also and see. 1 if I subtract 4 with 1, I am getting minus 3. So the minus 4 is the sequence used here. Now what we have to do? Minus 3, it should be subtracted with 4. What will we get? Minus 7. Thus we got the fourth term. Now minus 7 minus 4 will give me the fifth term, which is minus 11. Minus 11 minus 4 will give me the sixth term, which is minus 15. So thus we have found the three terms of the above sequence. Now we have to find the three terms, the next three terms of this sequence. If you see in this, we cannot frame. The numerator we can easily frame because 1, 2, 3, next number will be 4. Numerator can be easily guessed. But in the denominator, if you see, there is not the common differences applied. So what we have to do is, only after writing the AN for this sequence, we can find A4, A5 and A6. So we will write the nth term for the sequence given, and in the numerator we can directly write it as 1 because first value of n we will take it as 1, we will get 1, second value we will take it as 2, 2, third value we will take it as 3, 3. So numerator is in the format and denominator we have to frame. What is the format we can frame is, if you see in the denominator, all are the square of some numbers, which means 2 square, 4, 3 square, 4 square. So we somehow framed that it is a square of some number. So what can we do now is, numerator we have n value, first obviously we are going to take it as only 1, and denominator we have the value 4, which is nothing but 2 square. So we will apply n plus 1 the whole square, and we have to check whether this is the general term for the above sequences, then only we can frame A4, A5, A6. I will apply 1 and see. 1 by 1 plus 1, 2 square, which is giving me the first term. Let me check for the second term, A2, 1 by n value, now we are taking it as 2, so 2 plus 1, which is 3 squared. So 3 squared is 9. Yes, the general term we framed is the right one. We will apply and find the values of A4, A5 and A6. Now to find A4, we have to apply the value of n as 4. Therefore 4 by 4 plus 1 squared, which is nothing but 4 by 5 squared, which is nothing but 4 by 25. Therefore, the fourth term in the sequence will be 4 by 25. Next, when n value, we have to apply it as 5. Therefore, 5 by 5 plus 1 squared. So, 5 by 6 squared, 5 by 36. So, this is the fifth term in the sequence. Next is we have to apply the value of n as 6. We will get 6 by 6 plus 1 whole square, 6 by 7 square, which will give me 6 by 49. So, thus we have found out the next three terms of the following sequence. In the second problem, we have to find first four terms of the sequences, whereas in the three subdivisions they are given the nth sequence, nth term, which means the general term is given. We have to find the first to four terms for each of the sequences. It's so simple to do. What we have to do is we have to apply the values of n as 1, 2, 3 and 4 to get the first four terms. First, let me apply n value as 1. Therefore, a1 is equals to, here also we are applying 1, 1 cube minus 2, 1 cube is 1 minus 2, which is 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Next, a2, the value of n is 2, 2 cube minus 2, 2 cube is 8 minus 2, 6, second term, and next is third term, n value is 3, 3 cube minus 2, 3 cube is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 2, therefore the third term is 25, and to find the fourth term we have to substitute the value of n as 4. So, 4 cube minus 2, 4 cube is 4 4s are 16, 16 into 4, 64 minus 2, which is 62. Therefore, the first four terms of the sequence for this nth term is minus 1, 6, 25, 62. Now, we will find out the first four terms for this nth term. So, we have to vary the values of n as 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, first we will find it for 1. a1 is equals to, we have to substitute the value of n as 1 in the above sequence. So, minus 1 power 1 plus 1, n value it is 1, 1 plus 1, minus 1 squared, this is 1. So, let us have it, 1 plus 1 it is 2. Now, minus 1 square, if it is an even term, minus will vanish. Therefore, it will become plus 1 into 2, which will give me 2. The first term of the sequence is 2. Next, we have to find the second term. To find the second term, we have to substitute the value of n as 2. Therefore, minus 1 power 2 plus 1 into n value is 2, 2 plus 1. We will simplify this. Minus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3 into 2 into 2 plus 1 is 3. Now, if it is an odd number, minus will stay. Therefore, minus 2 3s are 6. This is the second term. And to find the third term, we have to substitute the value of n as 3. Minus 1 power 3 plus 1, 3 into 3 plus 1. So, minus 1 power 4 into 3 into 4. If it is an even term, minus will vanish. Therefore, it will become plus 3 4s are 12. This is the third term. Next, to find the fourth term, we have to substitute the value of n as 4. Minus 1 power 4 plus 1. N value is 4. 4 plus 1. So, minus 1 power 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 into 4 plus 1, 5. So, if it is an odd number, minus will stay. Therefore, minus 5 4s are 20. So, the four terms of the sequence are 2, minus 6, 12 and minus 20. These are the first four terms of the sequence. Okay. Now, we have to find the first four terms for this nth term. So, we have to vary the values of n as 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will do one by one. A1 means 2 into 1 square minus 6. 1 square is 1. Therefore, 2 minus 6 minus 4. First term of the sequence. To find the second term, we have to substitute n as 2. Therefore, 2 into 2 square minus 6. 2 into 2 square is 4 minus 6. 2 4s are 8 minus 6, which is 2. Second term of the sequence. Third term of the sequence, we have to substitute n as 3. 2 into 3 square minus 6. 2 into 3 square it is 9 minus 6, which is 18 minus 6 will give me 12, third term of the sequence. To find the fourth term, we have to substitute the value of n as 4. 2 into 4 square minus 6. 2 into 4 square is 16 minus 6. 32 minus 6, 26. Therefore, the first 4 terms of the sequences are minus 4, 2, 12, 26. So, in the third problem, we have to find the nth term of the following sequences. We know to find, so we have to find an. So, if you see in this problem, the common difference between any two terms is not same. Therefore, I am not going to use AP for this sequence. We are going to write it in general. So, first value, obviously the n value we have to take only 1. So, using 1, we can bring that the first term must be 2. What can we choose? We will choose n square plus 1. Why we are choosing n square plus 1 is, n value varies from 1, 2, 3, it goes on. So, first value of n is 1. Therefore, 1 square is 1 plus 1, which is 2, which will give me the first term. Next n value is 2. If I take 2 square is 4, 4 plus 1, 5, second term. Next I should choose the n value as 3. 3 square is 9, 9 plus 1 will give me 10. So, like this we have to frame the nth term. Thus, this is the right one for the above sequence. And for this sequence, we have to frame the an. If you see in the numerator, the common difference is same. And if you see the denominator, the common difference is same. Therefore, we will apply arithmetic progression for the numerator separately. We will find the nth term. For the denominator separately, we will find the nth term. I am going to consider the numerator, which is 0, 1, 2, etc. It goes on. A value is 0 and D value is 1, the common difference between any two terms. We are going to use the nth term, A plus n minus 1 into D. A value is 0 plus n minus 1 into D value is 1. Therefore, n minus 1. Numerator is n minus 1. So, the similar thing we have to substitute, we have to use for the denominator. Now, what we are going to consider is denominator sequence as 1, 2, 3. Why am I considering 1, 2, 3 is, we don't have anything in the denominator, we will use 1 because 0 divided by anything will give me 0. So, we will consider over 1 here. So, A equals to 1 and D is also 1. Therefore, we have to use the nth term, A plus n minus 1 into D. A value is 1 plus n minus 1 into D value is 1. Therefore, 1 plus n minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. The denominator sequence nth term is n. So, n value varies from 1, 2, 3, etc. If I substitute the value of n as 1, I should get the first term. So, I will see, taking n value as 1, 1 minus 1 will give me 0 divided by n value is 1. 0 by anything is 0. We got the first term. Second, we have to take the n value as 2. 2 minus 1 will give me 1 by 2. Yes, the sequence we framed is the right one. Similarly, we will do it for the third subdivision. Third subdivision, if you see, the common difference is same because 3 plus 5 will give me 8, 8 plus 5 will give me 13, 13 plus 5 will give me 18. Therefore, we can use the AP method to find the an term, nth term. Okay, so we have to consider the sequence 3, 8, 13, 18 and A value is 3 and the common difference between any two terms is 5. Using an is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. A value is 3 plus n minus 1 into D value is 5. 3 plus 5n minus 5, 5n minus 2. So, the nth term for the sequence is 5n minus 2. In the fourth problem, what we have to do? We have to find the indicated terms. Indicated terms in the sense, we have to find A6 and A13 in the first subdivision. For finding A6 and A13, we are given with the nth term as such. Similarly, for the second subdivision, we have to find A4 and A11. To find these two terms, we are given with the nth term as such. We will do it one by one. So to find A6, what we have to do? We have to substitute the value of n as 6 in this nth term. Therefore, A6 is equals to 5 into 6 divided by 6 plus 2. 5 6 are 30 divided by 8. Cancelling it in the two tables will give me 15 by 4. 15 by 4. Next, we have to find A13. To find A13, we have to substitute the value of n as 13 in this. 5 into 13 divided by 13 plus 2. So, 5 into 13, if it is 15, 1 balance 5, 6 divided by 15. In 5 tables, we can cancel 65 and 15. 13 times, 3 times. Therefore, 13 by 3. Now, we have to find A4 and A11. To find A4 and A11, we have to consider the nth sequence as such. So, finding A4, we have to substitute the value of n as 4. Minus n value is 4 square minus 4. Minus 4 square is 16 minus 4. 16 minus 4, it is minus 12. Next, to find A11, we have to substitute the value of n as 11. Minus 11 square minus 4, which is equals to 11 square is 121 minus 4 minus 117. So, in the fifth problem, we have to find A8 and A15. Nth term is given. An is n square minus 1 by n plus 3 when n is even, and an is n squared by 2n plus 1 when n is odd. According to the n value, we have to consider the nth term and find out the value. Let us do one by one. First one we will find is A8. So, to find A8, we have to consider the nth term is an is equals to n square minus 1 by n plus 3. Why do we consider is n is an even number? Because n value is over here is 8. Therefore, an is equals to n squared minus 1 by n plus 3. Substituting the value of n as 8, we get 8 square minus 1 by 8 plus 3. 8 square is 64 minus 1 by 8 plus 3 is 11. Therefore, 63 by 11. This is the 8th term of the sequence for the given nth term. Now, we have to find A15. To find A15, we have to consider an as n squared by 2n plus 1 because n is an odd number. So, substituting the value of n as 15, 15 squared by 2 into 15 plus 1. 15 squared is 15 into 15 will give me 25, 2 balance, 5, 7, 5, 1. 5, 2, 1. 225 divided by 2 into 15, it is 30 plus 1. 225 divided by 31. So, this is A15. 225 divided by 31. The sixth problem, we are given with A1 and A2, that is first term and second term, and we are given with the nth term. We have to find the first 6 terms of the sequence using the nth term. N value must be start from 3, which is greater than or equal to 3. 3 is included. So, to find the third term, we have to start with 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let us do one by one. To find the first 6 terms, we are given with the nth term as an is equals to 2 into an minus 1 plus an minus 2. So, we have to substitute the value of n as 3 to find the third term. Therefore, 2a 3 minus 1 plus a 3 minus 2. 2a squared plus a1. We already have the value of a2 and a1 which is given in the question. 2 into a2 value is 1 as well as a1 value is also 1. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1, 3. Thus, we have found out the value of a3. Next, we will find a4. To find a4, we have to substitute the value of n as 4. So, substituting it, so we will get 2a 4 minus 1 plus a 4 minus 2, 2a 3 plus a2. 2 into a3 value is 3 we got plus a2 value is 1 which is given. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. A4 is 7. Next we can find A5 using the similar step. To find A5 we have to substitute the value of n is equals to 5 in the given sequence. Therefore what will we get? 2a 5 minus 1 plus a 5 minus 2. 2a4 plus a3. 2 into a4 value we got it as 7 plus a3 value we found it as 3. Therefore, 2 7s are 14 plus 3 which is 17. A5 we got it as 17. So, to find A6 we will follow the same steps. We have to substitute the value of n is equals to 6 in the given the n sequence. 2a 6 minus 1 plus a 6 minus 2. 2a 5 plus a 4. 2 into a 5 we found it as 17. 2 into 17 plus a 4 is 7. 2 into 17, 34 plus 7 will give me 41. So, therefore, the first 6 terms in the sequence are A1 is 1, A2 is 1, A3 we got as 3, A4 we got as 7, A5 we got as 17 and A6 we got as 41. That's it. In today's class, we saw the concepts of sequences. In the next class, we will see the concept arithmetic progression. Thank you.